and I'm gonna also grate a carrot. I'm gonna use the deli meat. Like, you'll never outdo your hard work in one day. It's just not possible. Otherwise, I probably would have skipped it, to be honest, but it's good to have a little workout body sometimes. Good morning, guys, and welcome to week 5 of this little mini cut. Today is Monday, so it's the start of the week. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you probably saw, but I went home for the weekend and I did not eat the best, which I will talk about a little bit later, kind of like the weekend guilt and not being able to track and things like that. I will touch on a bit later, but I just got home from the grocery store, so I thought I would show you guys some of the things I picked up for this week. Andy actually did the big grocery shop yesterday while I worked, so this is just like a few things basically for my lunches and my snacks. So I thought I would show you guys because I feel like everyone loves a good old grocery haul. So one of the main things I got were these yogurts. I always get either Too Good, YoPro, or the Chobani Fit, kind of just like whatever's on sale. I don't mind, just as long as it's got no added sugar and it's high in protein. So these ones have 11.3 grams, if that focuses. So that's a really good brand. I then just got some deli meat. I got ham and chicken breast. I've got some pitted dates, black beans, and drinking chocolate because I'm actually going to try and make a like cherry brownie, kind of like Christmas inspired. Mum gave me fresh cherries, so I'm going to try and make this maybe today actually. And then for my lunches, I've just got low carb wraps and like this kind of mixed lettuce mix, and I'm going to also grate a carrot. I'm going to use the deli meats with some like beetroot and cheese and things like that. And then I just have burger thins because we're going to make homemade burgers yet again. So that's all I really picked up. And then Andy just got like chicken breasts, Bud Light, rice. Honestly, we eat a lot of the same meals every week, but that's kind of what keeps me on track. And also we're both super fussy eaters, so we pretty much just live on chicken, beef mince, homemade burgers, homemade pizzas, and things like that. We're very, very simple. But yeah, I'm already hungry, so I think I'm gonna make a little salad wrap now, and then I might do some baking this afternoon before clients. I wanna make gingerbread muffins, and I also wanna make choc cherry brownies, so yum, that sounds so good. But now let's just make some lunch. So it is now Tuesday and it's actually my birthday today, so yay. Although you guys won't see this probably for like an entire week afterwards, but I did want to just touch on the topic of not being able to track certain events or weekends, because when I did go home for the weekend I didn't track at all, and even today being my birthday I didn't track, although I am still being mindful of what I'm eating and my portions and things. So I kind of wanted to touch on that topic for a second, because I know that this time of the year coming up to Christmas and all the work parties and things, it's pretty hard to kind of like stick to your goals. And if you are someone who does track calories, it's really hard to do that when you're eating out all the time, or if you're at a friend's house or a family member's house and they've got like, you know, food that you just don't really know what's in it. So I think my best piece of advice is to try and not sweat the small stuff, like having one meal or even like a whole day of food that you can't track is not going to undo all your hard work that you've already put in. And honestly, usually the more you stress about it, the more you'll kind of like binge when you are out at someone's house, and then it's harder to get back on track the next few days because you're feeling guilty about what you ate and things like that. So if you are out on a Friday night, for instance, and you can't control what you're eating, like don't let that control and dictate the rest of the week for you. Like don't just decide, oh, I've already like stuffed up, so I'm just gonna keep eating whatever I want because I've already outdone my hard work. That is not the mindset to have, and it's also not the case. Like you'll never outdo your hard work in one day. It's just not possible. If you do put on weight, it's usually from sodium and water retention and things like that. So try not to sweat the small stuff. these moments are to be enjoyed, especially after the year we've had. Just make sure to enjoy yourself, get back on track the next day, and yeah, all will be well. But I'm trying not to blabber too much because we are about to go out for dinner. We're gonna get grilled for dinner. It's one of my favorite foods, but also it's quite like healthy and a good option to go out to eat because I know kind of what's in it. So yeah, we're gonna go out for dinner now, and I will check back in with you guys tomorrow. So I've just finished with clients for the afternoon, and I've pulled up to the gym. It is nearly 7 p.m. and I am so tired and zonked from training clients all day, but I need to train myself now. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do an upper body day, and Andy's gonna meet me in there. So he's my motivation right now because otherwise I probably would have skipped it, to be honest, but it's good to have a little workout body sometimes. But anyway, I need to go meet him in there, so hopefully I can film bits of my workout. Wish me luck. So it is now Thursday. I cannot believe I had to check my phone to figure out what day it was. But it is now Thursday. I've just made myself a little snack. I made these in last week's mini cart series. They're the little rice cake, peanut butter, banana bite things. I'm obsessed. Like, I do not know how it took me so long to figure this out. Oreo. If you hear my cat, he's being very annoying. Meow. Baba, come here. Come here. Hey. You should see when I have to do my client check-in calls over Zoom. All he does is stand in that corner and meow. And if you close the door, he'll stand outside the door and meow. So it's a lose-lose. But anyway, I just thought I would jump on here. I really wanted to go to the gym today, but I've had a jam-packed day on the phone to like clients, my accountant, and just all over the place. So I'm not actually able to go to the gym today, which I'm really bummed about because I was actually very excited. And tonight we're going out for a birthday dinner. It's kind of my birthday, but also Andy's sister's birthday. So we're going to his parents' house and we're getting Chinese. I'm not going to be able to track the Chinese tonight, but I am just going to be mindful of my portion sizes. I'm actually going to have this and then also probably a smoothie or something so that I don't have a big portion. So that's another tip I have for you guys. If you know you're going out for food and you can't track it and it's a little bit worrying to you, maybe make sure you have something before you go so that you don't like completely overindulge and have like a big portion and things. But yeah, hopefully that helps you if you are in the same kind of boat, especially with all these like social occasions coming up. I'm gonna go now before Oreo just like, baby, come here. Come here. What are you crying for? Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my food now, but I just thought I'd jump on here and say that. Peace. I've literally only done one workout this week and we're going away again this weekend. Oh, I'm really sorry guys. These past 2 vlogs have not been the best. I keep forgetting to pick up my camera. I'm so busy, I'm so moody and I haven't been doing all of my workouts. So it's not really an excuse, but anyway, I hope that you guys are still somewhat enjoying these weekly vlogs. This will probably be my last one. I might do one more week, I'll see. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying the whole weekly vlog kind of vibe, please let me know down below, and I will continue to do them even after my mini cut, and then I can show you guys like more of my life, because at the moment I'm trying to keep it just like purely what I'm eating and my workouts, rather than like what we're doing as well. So if you wanted to see more weekly vlogs in the new year, then please let me know, because yeah, I'm finding them really fun to do when I remember to pick up my camera. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this now and then hopefully do a workout. Sorry if the lighting's kind of bad, but I'm just making us some sandwiches because we're actually going away again this weekend. I think I've mentioned that already. But one of the things we like to do if we know we're going to be like eating a lot of takeaway is trying to pack food when we can. So instead of getting lunch out today, we're just going to take it, and then yeah, over the weekend we'll probably just have takeaway. I'm gonna actually start a brand new vlog. I feel like this vlog is already going to be long enough, and also I kind of want to document everything when we go away rather than just the workouts and the food, if that makes sense. So I'm going to end this weekly vlog here, but I will document this weekend away as well. So it'll either be up before or after this video. I will link it above here if it's already up. But yeah, I'm really excited to go away for my birthday. We haven't like been away on like a romantic weekend away since March when lockdown first hit, so very excited. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to hit subscribe down below if you are new to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next vlog. Bye.